Welcome to Amagansett.
You gonna report this to my parole officer?
Who it is? Look at this guy. What's up, man? We actually lived in this apartment above this store.
I'm not wanting to be photographed by you. Okay, please don't take pictures then. Bye.
I'll be taking pictures. Here's a police car pulling in here. They must have called the cops on us for taking pictures.
Hello, Mr. Glover.
How we doing? Welcome to Amagansett. Today we're in Amagansett, New York. As you guys know, my dad's channel, Amagansett Press, is named for this town. Amagansett's part of the town of East Hampton, and I grew up out here in East Hampton and lived in Amagansett for a few years. And today we're gonna walk around as usual, check it out. It's not a big town, but there's a few stores. We're gonna see what we can see, take some video, and take you guys along for the ride, so stay tuned. Here's the Amagansett Library.
I'm hanging out there, Watchmen.
What's up?
What's happening? Welcome back to Amagansett.
Yeah.
The old neighborhood. Ready to go see how people are doing here today? What's going on?
Let's check it out.
Let's take a walk.
Here's the famous Amagansett. Very foggy day today.
You gonna report this to my parole officer?
I am. Yes, you violated your parole. Life will never be the same. Keep smiling. Have a great day.
I don't know if you guys can see that flashing school zone sign over there, but that's the Amagansett Elementary School. I graduated from there probably 2014.
Oh, thanks for everything you do, man.
You know what you guys do?
Right on.
I appreciate you guys keeping all right safe, right?
And you stopped just to tell us that. I
That's
appreciate
it.
you,
That's it. I
dude.
was actually going to Montauk,
Right on.
and I had to turn around just to say thank you.
Thank you.
Right.
What's your first name?
My name is Joe.
Jay, thank you so
Really
much.
nice talking to you guys. Keep up the good work. Be safe.
Thank you so much. Thanks for turning around. It made my day, man. I
really
appreciate you. Thank you.
it.
That's the PSE&G guy. He's the local electric company here. Just turn around and stop and say thanks. We appreciate it. So, how's it going?
Good. What are you guys filming for?
Huh?
What are you guys filming for?
I'm just back in the video.
Oh, cool. Sweet. Yeah.
Enjoying the day. Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, I was curious.
How's that? Is it Craig?
Chris.
No,
Craig's the owner.
Right.
Yeah,
Is he
yeah.
around?
No, he's. I think he's in later this afternoon.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Tell him I said hello.
Definitely. What's your name?
Jason.
Okay, cool. Sweet.
I made the secret reminder. Those boards you have up on the top.
Oh,
When you
okay.
guys first opened up, I
Oh,
made those.
yeah. Hey, well, you used to live on the down
Right down
over
the street
here.
here.
Yeah. What's going on, man?
Right on, man. Good seeing you,
All right.
Chris. Take it easy. Guy actually made these signs years ago when he first opened up.
We actually lived in this apartment above this store when I was a kid, probably 10 years old, for a little while. And back then it was a sporting goods store underneath. Now it's Lazy Point. I don't know what that is, but it was pretty cool. Got the windows right up there, right in the middle of town. The Amagansett Square right across the street.
So this is actually another sign I did years ago. It's made out of stainless steel, and I actually installed it myself too. Pretty cool sign, and the store's still here, so it's pretty neat.
So here is Stephen Talkhouse. For any of you guys who don't know, this is like a bar, nightclub type of place. And they actually have some pretty famous people here, or at least they used to. I'm sure they still do. And they have them come perform, I mean.
Hey, Sam. How you been?
How are you?
Good. What's that?
What are you doing?
Another day. Just back in the old hood, checking it out. Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Good. So Tammy runs the office here. All right, well, some things really never change. This is Amagansett Hardware, owned by Herbert Kimbach, and I can't tell you how many times I came to this store when I lived here on random days, and it would be closed for an hour, closed for 2 hours, closed today. The guy's always closed. And we're back here in Amagansett, hoping to come by and say hello, and guess what? He's closed. But sorry we missed you, Herb. We'll see you on the next one. This is a one-stop pet shop right next to the computer store. And Mrs. AP actually had a job there for a while, many, many years ago. And I think that's also new owners too.
Really?
Yeah, I don't think he's here anymore. Last I heard, he moved to Florida. Yeah, so, lots of changes. Like I always say, lots of things remain the same and lots of things change.
Hi, can I help you? Can I help you?
I can't hear you.
Can I help you?
Can you help me? No, I'm good, thank you.
Okay, what are you doing?
What am I doing?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I'm not wanting to be photographed by you.
Oh, so then why'd you come outside?
Because it's my store and I'm wondering who's photographing it for what reason.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm just out here taking some pictures, taking some video.
For what purpose?
For what purpose? Well, that's my purpose.
Okay, please don't take a picture then. Bye.
I'll be taking pictures. Bye. Silliness. Silliness. Oh, look, she's actually got a, I didn't even see it.
She's got a sign that says no
She's
photography.
got a sign up here that says no photography. See if I can get you a shot at it.
Almost missed this one, walked past it. We thought it was closed, and she was already ready to come out the door yelling at us. Unbelievable.
Rude, and I gotta say, great look for your business. What is this place called? E-E Home? E-E Home? How do you put it?
I don't know, yeah. EE Home?
E-E Home.
Yeah, AP was just pointing out the front of this place is really nice. So, I don't know what their big issue is.
There's an old Chinese.
So here's a police car pulling in here. They must have called the cops on us for taking pictures. Amazing.
Alright, I'll talk to you inside. Hey, how are you?
Good, how you doing?
Good.
Who it is? Look at this guy. What's up, man?
How you been?
What's happening, brother?
All good.
It's good to see you, man.
What's up, man?
Yeah, likewise.
Right on. I was hoping I ran into you.
I saw you guys. I was coming from Montauk back to the office.
Okay.
And then I'm like, all right.
That's
let's
awesome,
do
dude.
it.
You're one of the people I was hoping to run into,
Yeah.
so that's cool.
How have you guys
Right on.
been? Let me park.
Yeah, go ahead.
Cool.
Yeah, we got some of your other fellow workers here. This lady just called the cops on us.
Oh, did she?
So
Oh,
they're
so
here.
they're coming. All right.
Oh,
I
they're
didn't
here,
even.
but no
I
worries.
didn't hear it.
Right
So
on.
I saw you guys and I was like, oh, I'm gonna.
What are you doing? Code enforcement? Or
Yeah,
you?
code enforcement.
Right
man,
on.
so,
That's cool. I like the
yeah.
haircut.
Thank you, man.
That's
I
cool. How's
appreciate
Trish doing?
it. She's good. She's
Oh,
good.
awesome.
How's everyone with you guys?
Everybody's great, man,
How's
yeah.
How's Chris?
Oh, Chris is doing good.
He's good.
Yeah.
All right. Let me park real quick.
Yeah, right on.
right.
Cool. Yeah, that's a buddy of mine, Charlie. His wife's family owns Round Swamp Farm down the road. Another place you got to visit if you're in East Hampton. Good color on you, man.
Thanks.
So good to see you.
Yeah, likewise. How's mom? Why
She's good. She's walking around somewhere. She out here.
I'm like, if you guys weren't here, I was going to go and see if I could find your guys' setup and be like, hey, whenever they're done.
Right
I'm
on.
here. But-
So I'm gonna turn this off of Charlie for a second so we can have a little conversation here. So we'll be back in a minute. Well, oh, we got more?
Yeah, you got your buddy.
I'll let you do your thing. I'll see you later. Awesome to see you, man.
Good to see you, man.
Hello, Mr. Gentleman.
How we doing, boss?
Good, how are you?
Man, it's been a while.
Yeah.
Been a minute, like they say these days. How you been? Picture of me when I was a baby.
Oh, it's not.
How you
how you
bud?
doing?
Good. I don't think we ever met, Jason.
No, yeah, I'm Danny.
Ben.
How you doing, Danny?
How's it going?
Just back in town?
Back in town, yeah.
Living
Came by-
here again now? Or?
No.
Oh, just
No, I wouldn't do
visiting.
that. I wouldn't do that to you.
Okay, well, that's nice of you, I guess. I don't know. I never said you did anything wrong.
No,
What's
we're
going
just
on?
back for a week.
Okay.
Haven't been here in 4 years.
Yeah, you've been going for a while.
Check things out.
How's
Yeah.
Colorado, wherever you went.
Well, we were in Colorado for a couple of years. Then we moved to South Dakota,
Okay.
which was where we're based out of now. But we've been traveling on the road for years.
You graduated high school?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, we've been on the road. We just finished doing all 48 states, man.
You did all
By
40.
road. Yeah. It's been awesome.
How many miles?
It's
you put on
really
your
been
car? You
awesome.
still driving that big Tahoe? with
Over
70?
120,000. No, I've gone through 5 vehicles since
I
then.
was going to say, that's a lot.
But it's awesome.
Officer Rice?
Officer
So-
Rice, you driving the Ghost vehicle?
I am.
Cool
I am.
car, man.
What's up, man? How's everything?
Good, how you
How's
doing?
it going?
All good?
Yeah.
All good in there, too. Yeah, I talked to them. They're good. No, I got
She just doesn't want to take a picture.
They know the deal, though. I explained everything to them.
You told her what was
Yeah,
up?
over the sidewalk, told them to them.
Well, it was good seeing you, Officer
good
Stone.
to see you.
Oh, next time I see you, I want to see some stripes on that arm.
Nah.
Go for it,
I
man.
like where I am.
Yeah, well,
I like it.
whatever makes you
All right.
happy, man. I appreciate you.
All right,
Good
guys.
seeing you.
Have a good one,
Thank
guys.
you
Have a
very
good
much.
one.
Nice to meet you.
Good seeing you, buddy. Take care.
Good to meet you.
No problem.
But I hope these guys just understand. Her sign says no photography, please. She can ask, but it's a bad idea to insist, and it's an even worse idea to call the police on people that are out taking pictures on the sidewalk. If you really stop to think about it, it's foolish. Had we gone into her store, violated her privacy, trespassed on her property, that would be a whole different story. None of that happened here today. Handled very well by the East Hampton Town Police Department. And, we appreciate them. And that's it. So let's continue down the road.
All right, let's continue our tour of Amagansett.
Just want to get a shot of myself here in front of the Amagansett Square sign.
I forgot how many cops they send out for everything out here. There's not really that much crime out here, so there are cops everywhere. Yeah, for any of you guys who didn't see AP's shirt.
Send it.
I can't hear what you're saying. I don't
Are you
know.
just filming the store?
I'm sorry?
Are you just filming the store?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, why?
Just out enjoying the day.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I appreciate you. Thank you.
All right, guys, you saw how that went here in Amagansett, New York. Finally got to come back after almost 4 years of being out on the road. And it was pretty cool to come back, see some people we know. Most people were cool, but that one store got upset and called the cops on us. And the East Hampton Town Police Department knows us. They know we're not doing anything wrong, and set them straight, so that was cool. And that's about it for this one. So if you guys want to come along for the rest of the ride, we're on our way down to South Florida and the Keys. Best way to do that is to like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications, and check out my other social medias. Watching the Watchmen, out with Amagansett Press here in Amagansett, New York. Out.